microscopic anatomy of testis, or it is also called histological structure of testis. Transverse section or TS of a portion of a testis shows the following structures. They are: number 1, outer covering or Tunica Albuginea. Testis externally covered by white fibrous tissue, or testis is externally covered by a membrane made up of white fibrous tissue, and that is called Tunica Albuginea. 2. Seminiferous tubules. Within a seminiferous tubule, we find spermatogenic cells and Sertoli cells. Number 3. Interstitial cells of Leydig. In between seminiferous tubules, we find some polyhedral cells, and those cells are called interstitial cells of Leydig. And 4. Tubules. There are 3 types of tubules. They are straight tubule, rete testis, and vasa efferentia. Microscopic anatomy of testis. Look at this diagram. Tunica Albuginea. Outer covering of the testis is called Tunica Albuginea. It is made up of white fibrous tissue. This is outer covering of the testis, and this is called Tunica Albuginea. From Tunica Albuginea, incomplete trabeculae enters into the stroma of the testis and divide the testis into 100 to 200 lobules or lobes. This is trabecula, singular number, arises from this Tunica Albuginea, and you may call tubercula as septum. You may call this is septum, and these compartments and these compartment, each compartment is called testicular lobe. This is one testicular lobe, one. These are the testicular lobes. Within this testicular lobe, you will find convoluted tubules, 2 to 4 numbers, and they are called seminiferous tubules. So these are seminiferous tubules. Now look at this diagram. End of seminiferous tubules, or distal end of the seminiferous tubules, unite to form straight tube. This is straight tube. So this is straight tube, straight tube, straight tube. And these straight tubules again united with each other to form a reticular structure, and this reticular structure is called rete testis. So distal end of seminiferous tubules unite to form straight tubule, and straight tubules from each testicular lobe again united to form a reticular structure. This is called retitestis, and from retitestis arises these tubules are called vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. So these tubules which connects retitestis to epididymis, this is epididymis, is called vasa efferentia, and this is vas deferens. This is vas deferens arises from epididymis. So this is microscopic anatomy of testes. Look this figure. Can you understand Tunica Albuginea here? Can you identify trabeculae here? Can you identify testicular lobes here? Can you identify retitestis here? Can you identify vasa efferentia here? Can you identify epididymis here? Can you identify vas deferens here? This slide shows microscopic view of TS or transverse section of a portion of testis. Seminiferous tubules are here circled with red color, and Leydig cells are circled with yellow color. This figure shows seminiferous tubule. This is seminiferous tubule. This portion is an enlarged portion of this region. Each seminiferous tubule is surrounded by basal lamina. Basal lamina provides structural integrity to seminiferous tubule, and there is a lumen in each seminiferous tubule. This is the lumen. Central lumen is present in each seminiferous tubule. This is a lumen. This is lumen. Different types of germinal cells from outside towards lumen are present. They are Spermatogonium. These are Spermatogonia. This is one Spermatogonium. It is also called sperm mother cell and diploid in nature. Next, primary spermatocyte. This is primary spermatocyte. These are primary spermatocytes. Spermatogonium transformed into primary spermatocyte, and primary spermatocyte is also diploid in nature. Now meiosis cell division takes place as a result from primary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte is developed and it is haploid in nature. So this is secondary spermatocyte. These are secondary spermatocyte. Next, secondary secondary spermatocyte are transformed into spermatid, which is also haploid in nature, and these are the spermatids, and spermatids are embedded in the Sertoli cell present in the seminiferous tubule. This is Sertoli cell. Finally, spermatids are released from the Sertoli cell into the lumen, and then they are called spermatozoa or sperms. So these are sperms, and spermatids, after maturation, they get nourishment from Sertoli cells. They are released as spermatozoa or sperms, and this process is called spermiation. So this is all about seminiferous tubule. This video clip shows seminiferous tubule. A seminiferous tubule is focused here. Lumen of the seminiferous tubule is marked here as LM. Spermatogonia is marked here as SG. Sperms are visible here. They are denoted by SP. Spermatids are also visible here, and they are circled with green color. This figure shows Leydig cells. Leydig cells are also known as interstitial cells of Leydig. They are found adjacent to seminiferous tubules in testicle. The cells are polyhedral in shape and have a large prominent nucleus, and the cell is full of lipid vesicles. These cells produce testosterone hormone. This figure shows tubules. Transverse section of a portion of a testis shows three types of tubules. They are 1. Straight tubule, 2. Rete testis, and 3. Vasa efferentia. These are testicular lobe. Distal end of seminiferous tubules of each testicular lobe united to form straight tubule, and they are made of isohedral cells. So these are straight tubule. 2 rete testis, straight tubules of each testicular lobe united to form rete testis. This is rete testis. They are made of cubical epithelial cells. Number 3, vasa efferentia. They are originated from rete testis. So these are vasa efferentia. These are vasa efferentia originated from rete testis and enter epididymis. They are made of columnar ciliated epithelial cells. And you know this is vas deferens originated from epididymis. Function of testis. Actually, testis is a mixed gland. It acts as both exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Exocrine function of testis. Testis produces spermatozoa or sperms within seminiferous tubule under the influence of gonadotropic hormone of anterior pituitary gland, and endocrine function of testis, that you know Leydig cells or interstitial cells of Leydig produces male hormone named testosterone. So these are the functions of testis. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel to get more videos. Thank you.